Grab your easel, your paintbrushes, and your beret, because we're about to get artsy. This spring, Let Elegance encouraged you to get creative and bring out your inner Picasso or Monet, together with the collection The Artist. Create masterpieces using these on-trend spring colors dominated by neutrals and soft tones. Leslie McConnell, owner and color mother, says that it's amazing how spring 2020's modern trends resemble a Monet masterpiece in many ways, and we found ourselves researching historical artists for much of our inspiration. Our goal was to allow nail professionals to create their own masterpieces and provide complementary shades to make art fast and easy in the salon. We know you'll immediately fall in love with these muted and muddled colors, sophisticated and trendy at the same time. Well, I could not agree more. In the Artist collection, you'll find, as always, 6 new colors and 6 new glitters, both available as hard gels and gel polishes. And yes, the swatch sticks come with the hard gel collection. And remember that when you get the full collection, you're actually just paying for 5 of these little tiny masterpieces. You get 1 for free. First color to go onto our palette is Take It Easel, a perfect warm neutral pink. A soft pink mix of pink and nude, which will be your perfect base for your canvas to add more colors to, or stunning to wear on its own. Sometimes we get hit with a stroke of genius, and sometimes not so much. This color, however, is definitely a stroke of genius with its fantastic, rich, dark and creamy olive green. In one angle, you'll see more gray and others more green. Just genius. Would you pose for Leo? Well, Rose certainly did, and with this dusty rose shade, you'll be the queen on both first and third deck. Not too dark and not too light. Side note, I am sure there was enough space for Leo on that door. Do the Van Gogh is your creamy coral with an orange undertone. A bolder color but still with that trendy muddy look. A perfect accent color to add to your design, or go Van Gogh and add it to all 10 nails. If you're into banana milkshakes, then Bare Canvas is for you. Unfortunately, I'm allergic to bananas, but I would not hesitate 1 second to put this on my nails. A creamy vanilla bean with a subtle tone of yellow. I'm all about mudded mauves, and this color is not an exception. If you're not sure what a mauve looks like and you want to look it up, then pencils and paintbrushes is your Google mauve. And if you like it, you're more than welcome to join the Mauve Club with me. Now we got our color palette ready, but there's something missing. And I'm not talking about someone's crazy ear. We, of course, need glitter. The Artist Glitter Collection is definitely not one to disappoint you with its large variety of chunkies, fines, shiny, and matte. You don't even need a plan, just throw these glitters out there and it will be a glitter masterpiece. As with the colors, you have them available in hard gels and gel polishes. So, hard gel or soft gel? Well, just as an artist, that completely depends on what you prefer to work with, but the shades are all the same. Up for some nudes? This nudie is your fancy spring champagne with silver and neutral sparkle. Light and bubbly and will go perfectly with that birth suit of yours. Or with any type of clothes, really, you decide. If you're into chunkies, then you'll fall in love with this masterpiece. My masterpiece is where pinks meet a touch of corals mixed with chunky pieces of iridescent glitter. This is a complex but sweet glitter that will adapt to whatever pink you put underneath. If you would ever step into the mind of an artist, you would most likely trip over some creative chaos, and maybe it would look a little something like this. A soft emerald green with a slight mix of Mediterranean pastel blues. My favorite type of chaos. Monet All Day is almost not even a glitter, but more like a pink pearl. A soft shimmery pink just as sweet as the pink clouds in a Monet painting. Apply it to cover an entire nail or let it softly fade down from the cuticles. Just like watercolor mediums, when you want to add an effect like glitter or gloss, Wanna watercolor is definitely the glitter medium of this collection. Add this over any shade to create a sweet, petite pink shimmer. Don't Frame Me In has to be my personal fave of the bunch. Tiny iridescent pieces in the background with larger satin pastel glitters on top. If Monet did nails, this would be his go-to glitter. And the time has come to wash our brushes and frame our masterpiece. If you're into muddy, soft tones with a pop of creative chaos, this is a must-have collection to own. All colors are, as always, carefully selected to complement each other so you don't have to think. Just do. They're also available now at lightelegance.com and at the Light Elegance distributors worldwide. All Light Elegance products are, as always, human-free, knife-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And we do believe that what's inside matters. Also, make sure to join the Light Elegance Facebook group, #NewToLE by Light Elegance, if you would like to dive deeper into this fabulous brand. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!